I'm in front of the world famous Laburnum Walk. Okay, just famous? Okay. It's the golden chain tree, and it has these 60 centimeter long flowers. It's underplanted with allium, what was purple sensation, and that's to get a color contrast. Fun fact, well, it's in the pea family. The original garden director, Roy Forster, was inspired to create the Laburnum Walk design from another Laburnum Walk that's in Wales, in Botanical Gardens. Today we're planting a couple laburnums to add to the walk. Over time, they have been replaced. The original planting was done in '75.
Oh, I did okay.
It looks totally in center with those, yeah. The Laburnum Walk usually blooms between mid-May and early June. Come on down and see the blooms before they finish.